Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Diana and today we are going to guess the price tag of some houses. I'm going to be presented with houses and its location and I'm gonna have to guess the price tag. Go along and play with me. Let's get into it. So let's start with the first one. So this location is based in Los Angeles, California. Let's see if I can guess this one right. Let's go. We've got a pool. That's good. And it seems like we've got like 2 floors. So based on location, I don't know. Let's just go through the photos. Oh God, that's nice. Really nice. Dining room. Kitchen is really nice. Another living area. Beautiful. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm going to go with like 9 million.
Okay. Well, your options are option number A, $4 million. Option number B, $14 million. Option number C, $24 million.
Oh my God. Okay. Ooh. I was bugging. I'm gonna go with C, $24 million. Based on location alone. I don't know what I was thinking, but I think the options have like jogged my memory and I feel like it's a little bit more pricier than I think. So $24 million is my answer.
Your initial guess was better. Correct answer is $14 million.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I was so close. But let's go to the next one. I'm gonna get it right. I think that was just like a little warmer starter. So that's fine. We've had our starters. Let's go to the mains. Let's go. So this second location is based in the Hollywood Hills. Oh God, I know this one is gonna be pricey. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, no, this is gorgeous. Wow, it's like 4 different levels or something. That is actually amazing. Wow. Hollywood Hills. Beautiful. It's like the top of the world. It's really, really nice. Okay, inside is like cabinish. Very woody. Lots of wood. Okay. Nice. That bathtub is gorgeous. That view of the mountain is beautiful. I'm gonna go slightly up on this one. My guess for this property, I would like to say Hollywood Hills. I'm gonna say maybe like 15 million.
Okay, well, these are your options. Option A, $8 million. Option B, $18 million. Option C, $28 million.
Can I hear it again?
A, $8 million.
Yes.
B, $18 million.
Okay.
C, $28 million.
I'm going to go with B, $18 million.
The answer is wrong.
What is it?
It's option A, $8 million.
8.
8.
What? Why did I think it was more expensive? Okay, this third property is also based in Los Angeles, California. Let's get into it. Again, I see multiple floors, which is brilliant. That makes for great pricing. Oh my God, the house next to it is so tiny. Sorry, let me focus. Oh my God, this inside is all white and I love that. Gorgeous bar, gorgeous fireplace, pergola area. Ooh, the greys and the marbles in the kitchen. The bedroom is all white. I love that. Office, a little grayscale. Love that. Pool table. Look at all those spotlights. Beautiful. Living area or cinema room. And that would be it. I've guessed all of them incorrectly so far. So I'm going to go for the safe option and say this property costs maybe 10 million. No, 10 million. Okay, let's go with 10 million.
Okay, so these are your options. Option A, $5 million.
Okay.
Option B, $15 million.
Okay.
Option C, $35 million.
Okay, it's definitely not 35. Based on, you know what, I'm just gonna base it off that tiny ass property that was next door. I'm gonna go with 5 million. And if I get it wrong, I'm gonna cry if I get this wrong. Oh my god, I bet you it's B. Hold on, I bet you it's B. I bet you it's B.
Do you want to keep to A or do you want to change to B?
Oh, what do you want? What's the options again?
A, $5 million. B, $15 million. C, $35 million.
Okay, I'm gonna change it to B based on the first location being in Los Angeles as well. So 15, was that correct? $15 million?
That's correct.
Did I get it right? Oh my god! Ding, 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 ding. Oh my god, I really was gonna go with 5 based on that small ass house next to it. Let's go to the next one. So this fourth location is based in Virginia. I'm just gonna have a look at the pictures to see what it could be valued at. The exterior is big. It's looking very mansion-y. Let's have a look. Okay, it looks like it's on a private land. Lots of space around. It's right next to the river. Oh my god, it's so cathedral-like inside, or like, I don't even know how to describe it. Oh yeah, this is for a much older person. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Looks like somewhere like an ex-president will stay after or something. That outside area is giving me Washington, D.C. vibes. I mean, White House vibes. Okay. Oh, this is going to be so hard. I don't think I've ever watched a video based in Virginia before. Because it's not in the city centre, I'm just going to go low on this. So my rough guess is going to be maybe like 3 million. Quite affordable-ish. Let's go.
The options you have, option A,
Uh-huh.
$10 million.
We starting high. We starting high.
Option B, $30 million.
13.
30, 30.
Whoo!
Or option C, $60 million. You might want to go through the photos again. Of this.
It is on a private land. I noticed it was on a private land and looks very big. And it's got like a boat docking thing.
It's actually called the George Washington Original Mount Vernon Estate.
Ex-president, right? I knew it. Okay, I'm gonna go for a little bit higher because it's got a president's name attached to it. Cool. So, our first option was 10 million. Second option is 30 million. Third option is 60 million. Nobody's gonna bloody buy anything for 60 million. I don't think. I'm gonna go with the middle. Oh, I'm torn. Okay. Or should I go for 10? 10 million. 10 million or 30 million? 30 million. You're getting your own land.
Final answer?
Final answer.
Incorrect.
10 million?
60 million.
60 million! Just because it has the president's name attached to it.
George Washington, for that matter.
Oh. I should have rated him a little bit more. My apologies. I should have rated you a bit more. 60 million, I can't believe that. But again, I think it is a huge piece of land. So I think I was bugging with that. So my apologies. Let's go to the next one. I'll get it right. Wow, I've only had one right so far. So this fifth property is based in Los Angeles, California. Exterior is huge. I think it's bigger than the rest of the Los Angeles houses that I've seen. That fire pit is gorgeous. Ooh, so many different levels. Oh, we're gonna go big on this one. Go big or go home. Yep, I'm risking it all today. Very nice living area. Very nice little, looks like a poker table, like a games table. Very nice fireplace. Look at that view. Gorgeous. Cinema room. Seating area. This person likes to entertain, and look at that bird's eye view. Wonderful. My rough guess, I'm gonna go a little bit big on this one. So I think the highest that we've had for Los Angeles was like 15 or something. So I'm gonna go 20,000. 20 million, sorry.
So your options are
Yes.
option A, $7 million.
Nah.
Option B, $47 million. Or option C, $97 million.
Okay. I underestimated that. But then again, I think it is much bigger than the other two properties that I've seen based in Los Angeles. So I'm going to play it safe and go $47 million.
Correct.
Yes! We got another one. We got another one. 2 out of 5 is not bad. Property number 6 is based in Marbella, Spain. So we are in the European Union and I don't know what the prices are for houses there, so wish me luck. Exterior is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, very symmetrical by the way. Everything, look at it, you can literally cut it down in the middle. But anyway, let's look at the rest of the photos. Ooh, that's the other side of the building. Lovely. Oh, this inside looks like the first property that we saw. Very nice, guys. I'm loving it. Indoor pool. Cinema room with the Rolls Royce ceiling. Yes. Oh, beautiful view of that mountain. Gorgeous. So I'm just gonna throw caution in the wind and just blind guess because I have no idea what the property market is down there. I'm gonna say like 30 million. I'm probably guessing too high too. I think it's quite affordable. But I'm going to say 30 million.
Your options are as follows.
Yeah.
A, $11 million.
Okay.
B, $21 million.
Okay.
C, $31 million.
I said 30 and when I got 21, I was like, okay, that might be it. But now that I'm provided with 31, I'm just like, what the heck? I don't know. I'm stuck between either 21 or 31. I'm going to go with my initial answer, which I think is actually wrong. I think it's actually 21. You know what? We're in 2021, so I'm going to go with 21. I'm going to go with 21. Let's go.
Final answer.
Don't say that to me. 21. Okay, I bet you it's 31. Is it 31?
$11 million.
Oh, okay. That, you know what? I don't mind that so much because that wasn't going to be my option. But you know what? I should have went with my initial thought, which was it's quite affordable in Europe. A lot of UK people leave the UK to relocate and they can actually afford buying in places like this. So I should have gone with the lower option. So that's my bad. We are in San Francisco, California. So this 7th location is based in San Francisco, California. Do I know anything about San Francisco? No, but we're gonna try anyway. Exterior, like I'm looking at 3 floors. Might even go deeper, you never know. But yeah, it looks very cool. I love that last level. It's pretty nice. Oh God, it's gonna be hard to guess. It looks like all the other houses. Very nice pergola, dining area. Nice views. Nice views of San Francisco. If you can see the city center, it's probably expensive. So, nice bedroom, nice kitchen. Interesting property behind it. Blind guess will be like 7 million.
Your options are A, $11 million.
Oh God, I started too damn low. Okay.
B, $21 million. C, $41 million.
So 11, 21 or 41. Ooh, San Francisco, how are you like? That looks like very central-ish, you know. I'm gonna go with 11. I'm going to start off low because I don't know the market. I'm going to go with the lowest. 11.
Incorrect.
Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Option C, 41 million.
Oh my God. So bloody expensive. But you know, it's a beautiful house. But I just don't know what the market is like in San Fran.
In the Silicon Valley?
Oh, is that where San Francisco is? Okay. Well, you should give me that damn clue, innit? I would have guessed so much higher. Come on. You could be living there and meet your next investor. Of course it's going to be bloody expensive. It's a networking opportunity. Okay, so I ended up only getting 2 out of the 7 properties correctly. And I'm so disappointed in myself. But we gonna get there. We gonna get there. I'm gonna get you next time. Let me know how much you got below. Let me know how, don't cheat either. Don't cheat. Let me know what you got below. But thank you so much for watching this. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.